Hello everyone. In our last class we have discussed how to calculate deciles for ungrouped data. Now we will discuss how to calculate deciles for group data. Okay. So here also we have to first see where we are asked to calculate D4. Okay, for some class interval, some intervals are given, for frequency some values are given. Okay, first we have to see whether class intervals are exclusive type or not. They are exclusive because here it ends with 10 and again begins with 10. Okay, this kind of class intervals are known as exclusive. Okay, that means we can calculate decile for these data. Fine. So for calculation of decile also, for we need to, for ungroup data we need to calculate cumulative frequency. Okay, and for that we need to prepare a table. So here I have calculated cumulative frequency for various class and for various frequencies. Okay. Okay, now of course I have to calculate here fourth decile class, since I am asked to calculate D4. Okay, as we did in our while calculating quartiles and medians, we have calculated quartile class, median class. Okay, here also we need to calculate decile class. Okay, actually these all are partition values, these all are location values. Okay, I have given everything in the note. Go through it. Okay, then it will be more clear to you. So, okay, fine. Okay, so for calculation of these things the procedure is more or less same. Okay. Okay, now first of all I have to find out the decile class, fourth decile class, and for that I need to calculate 4n into what, 10. Okay, 4n by 10, since this is 4 decile, so 4 into n divided by 10, because it is decile, so divided by 10. Okay, so after putting the value 150 here, I got 60. Okay, now see the value here in this column, either equal to 60 or greater than 60. I do not have a equal value, greater than value, that is 90. So this is our fourth decile class. So mark this. Okay, so mark this as fourth decile class. Okay, fine. So this class is 20 to 25. This is my fourth decile class. And that's 20 to 25 fourth decile class. Now from this class I will get the values for formula for D4. Okay, now D4, the formula is L plus 4n by 10 minus capital F divided by F into H. Okay, so L is the lower limit of the fourth decile class, and 4n by 10 is 60 here, minus capital F. Capital F is the value of cumulative frequency preceding the decile class, fourth decile class, that is 50. Okay, and F is the frequency of the decile class, that is 40 here, width is 5. After calculating the value we get 21.25. You try to calculate D7 at home. Okay, D7, and to find out the decile class, what you have to calculate first, 7n by 10. This will help you to get the value of decile class, 7th decile class. Okay, like this, using the formula you try to calculate and go through the notes. Okay, definitions of deciles, quartiles, etc. Okay, percentiles. Fine, thank you.